Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today we will learn about how the way we can make an original video, normal video that we take with the device camera to have a 4K quality with the CapCut. Open your project. So this is the original video. Yeah, we can say that the quality is quite low, and let's just make it become a 4K. How to do that? You just need to take a look on this button features, tap into the effects, and then go to this video effects. And now you can just type on the search button to make it faster, sharpen. Then just go click search, wait until all is loaded. I will suggest you to have the sharpen edges, and now you just need to wait until it's perfectly applied. Okay, we already got this. Tap it twice so we can adjusting several options here. Now I will let you make the blur here is to be low, so I will let you trick it become a blur. And for the range here, I will let you make it keep it full. And for the sharpen, I will let you trick it up to 70. Again, the level for this could be depends on the quality of your video itself, so you can adjusting by yourself. And now after you got the quality that you want to get here, just need to tap into this cancel option and click this checklist button. And now you just need to adjust in it the effects, make sure that it's all is adjusting into the whole video. Now this is the original, or the after we got the video effects. Now you need to save it by exporting this video. Don't close the application so that the downloading process will be success. Right after we got this video saved into the video or the photo gallery, you just need to tap into this back. Now we need to delete this effects and then tap into the clip. Take a look on this button feature, slide it into the left side until you got replace. Now just need to tap into replace and just pick the video that we just saved. Go click it, and now we just need to tap again into the clip and take a look on this bottom feature. Tap and swipe into the left side until your font adjust. And now you just need to tap into adjust here and adjusting everything, especially for the brightness. Add some more light on it, and for the contrast, of course, add some more contrast. And for the saturation, you can add more warm. Again, for the level, it's just depending to the video that you have, so we cannot adjusting the grade or the correct name or level. And right after you're done for everything that you got, just the way I did, you just have to click this checklist button. And now this is gonna be the result. I will let you add the comparison here. So I will let you add the overlay video with the original. So I will let you do the comparison. So this is the original, and this is after we got it 4K, and you can see the difference between those. Now we just need to do the final step by change the resolution into the 4K and the frame rate to increase it, and you just need to export it, and then you're done. That's for this tutorial. It's a super easy and simple. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.